What is going on, everybody? Today I am playing some more Kaiju Universe, and there has been so many updates since I last played the game. Like, Godzilla 2014 is finally here. This is Godzilla 2014. As you guys can tell, it's got its attacks on the bottom here, and this guy better not attack me. Look what I was gonna do. Look at his awesome skin, though, man. What do you want? What do you want? Huh? Evil. But I just love it. So, in a minute, guys, I'm gonna leave the game here, and I'm gonna go to the store, and I'm gonna show you all the new updates that I missed ever since the last time I played the game. And you guys saw me playing as Godzilla Jr. You guys only saw me playing as Godzilla Jr. that time because I wanted to get Destroyer, but there's really no need for Destroyer because there's all this. So I don't really need Destroyer anymore. This guy better not attack me. He's gonna attack me, right? No, he's not. Okay. Tail whip. And this Godzilla has good reach and range. I'm not gonna lie. Alright. And I've upgraded the damage as well, so yeah. So let's go ahead and beat this Godzilla up. Beat him up. Beat him up! But that's the wrong Godzilla. Alright, never mind. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it, guys. There's been a whole bunch of updates, but I want to show you guys my atomic breath. Now the atomic breath has been updated as well, so yeah. It looks purpley. It looks purplish, but now we're gonna head to the menu, and I'm gonna show you all. That's one of the updates. Skyla, I believe. Is it Scylla? It's Scylla, I believe. We have that's another new update. Yeah, I'm gonna be playing as all of these updates today in this game. So let's go ahead and where's that other update? Yeah, we got Mega Gearus, which I haven't bought yet. We have the Mothra larva, which is pretty cool. I haven't even done that yet. Here's the one I was right now. That's on 2014. And Amanda, I have Amanda, so it's gonna have Amanda's level 14. And Kong has been added. Kong 2017, which is a Game Pass. I'll have to get more Robux to get him. And then where is that? Here we go, Titanicilla. I actually have this guy, and I have him level 10 already. And here's the boss fight. There's supposed to be a remodel of the boss fight soon. Not sure when. There's Mechagodzilla. And I don't need Destroyer. I don't need Destroyer. And we got the new Shin Godzilla, level 23 for me. And we got this weird turtle-y guy. What? Sounds like I don't know that name. But, yeah, so the first one I'm gonna play as, where is that new, so the first thing I'm gonna play as, I'm gonna be playing as Amanda. So, and I said I'm gonna be playing as all the updates, but only the updates that I have. Well, yeah, only the updates that I have. So, first of all, we got Amanda. And there's been some new skins added, too. So, here's Amanda. Pretty sick. It's got, like, boiling water spray. Okay, so here are the attacks. This is number 4 attack, though. Alright, so here's number 1. That's number 1 attack. Here's 2 attack. Here's 3 attack. And then 4 the spray I just did. And here is the roar. Let me get up to a higher place to do the roar because it looks cooler. And then here's the roar. Let me turn that up for you guys. So yeah, here's Serpentine Shriek. Alright, so yeah. We're gonna go over the roars once again. And then we're gonna move on. Oh, there's a Kong! Hello, Kong. You are mighty and tiny. Now, that I want to stay away from. So yeah, this is Manda, and here's the swimming skills. Let's go ahead. Here's the swimming skills. Pretty sick. Alright, now let's go. Let's go become let's go. What's the name? What was the name again? Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you Godzilla 2014 because I don't think I went over the attacks and skills yet. So where is he? There he is. Are there any more updates I missed though? No, not really. Alright, Godzilla 2014. Here we go. So let's go ahead and select him. I'll show you all the attacks, moves, and all that stuff. So yeah, here we go. Come on, hurry up and load. Alright, so here is Godzilla 2014. So here is number 1 attack, which is Claw. Here's number 2, which is basically a tail whip. And I destroyed a lot of trees. And here is it's like a nuclear pulse, but it's with his foot. See? What? Wait, are you gonna do it? Okay, let's try that again. That was a mistake. Alright? Now that's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, he's gonna attack me. Dang it! Alright, he attacked me. Sorry, I don't want to do this because you're a part of my family, but I'm gonna have to. The dude does a lot of damage as well. Alright, so I'm just gonna fight him real fast. I can defeat him, I believe. I think I can defeat him. I might not because I'm lagging. I might not defeat him. Oh, I'm definitely gonna defeat him. One more hit! No! He had one more! I'm so mad. Alright, hold on. So I need to kill that guy right now, and then I'll go over the roars. I'll go over the roars in just a minute. I'm so mad. This guy's gonna die. His life is gonna be over. He's never gonna have a life again. Here you are, loser. Bah! I hate you. You killed me! Slope you with your little tiny tongues. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, run! Slap. There we go. No, how is he not dead? I can't. There, now he's dead. Now I'm gonna get attacked by a Scylla or Skyla, whatever. Come on, everyone, die already! What have I done to you? I can't even get over the roars and I can't get over the roars yet. Okay, these Scyllas are very annoying, so I'm gonna have to become one very fast after I do this. Okay, hold on. Okay, now this. Okay, so here's the R roar. And then here's number 2 roar. Let's get the Scylla or Skyla. I don't know what you call it. I think it's Skyla. Maybe Scylla. I don't know. I can't. These weird Tokyo names are weird. So now we're dead. Man, that is weird. Alright, well, whoever the editor of this is amazing. Where is he? Alright, I did Mando already. Where is it? Yeah, here we go. Scylla. Skyla, I don't know. But yeah, here's Skyla or Scylla. I don't know what you want to call it. I just call it Skyla. But here is the attacks, doors, and yeah. Oh, this is a horrible place to be. So let's go over the attacks real fast. So number 1 is pincer stab. Oh, you better not attack me. Oh, so here's pincer stab. That's pincer stab. He's gonna come and attack me. I know it. I'm just gonna attack him then. Don't attack me! I'm gonna tell you. I'm not. I don't want to keep warning people. Don't attack me, because I will literally come in here at level 100, Heisei Godzilla, and legit kill you. Sleep. Ah! Stop it! Stop babbling. So, and then here's quick slash. And then here's the number 3 attack. And then here's the roar. That's number R roar, and here's the number 2 roar. Okay, let's do that again in a second. Stop with your atomic breath. Okay, but here's number T. Here's the T roar. Load! Stop roaring! Alright, so here's number T roar. That's the number T roar. And now let's get to the last update that I had to show you guys, which is the new Shin Godzilla, which I haven't gone over yet. And that's an old update, but I still want to show it to you guys. What in the name of holy moly guacamole? Alright, let's go down to Shinners. Here's Shinners. So let's go ahead and click on him. And yeah, let's go ahead and look. And check this guy out. This guy's gonna have a lot of attacks. And the new Shin Godzilla remodel is awesome. Not gonna lie, he's really cool. Come on, load! Okay, here we are. Okay, here's the new Shin Godzilla remodel. It's kind of, what in the hay? Why am I swimming? Okay, yeah, but here is the Shin Godzilla. But, okay, so here's number 1 attack. That's number 1 attack. Here's number 2 attack, which is atomic. Oh, that is loud. Which is atomic breath. Here's atomic breath, which is really cool. I'm not gonna lie. And then here is number 3, which is back beams. Yes, sir. And then now we have tail beam. Boom, tail beam. I love it. And then now here are the roars. Now that was God am I right? And this is different rival. Let's do that again. Let's do that one more time, please. There we go. Just that mouth split, man. That mouth split. But that's all I have for today, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of the updates, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.